Is your Lexus key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Luckily, replacing it is a simple DIY task. This section covers the slide release and swap coin cell method common in many Lexus models. First, gather a new CR232 battery. Check your owner's manual for the correct type, as some models may use CR2450, and a small flathead screwdriver or coin if needed. Locate the slide release button or notch on your fob's edge or back. Slide it to open the fob. Gently pry it open if needed. Note the battery's orientation, plus side up. Remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring correct polarity. Snap the fob back together. Test the fob near your car. Always dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly at a recycling center. If the fob doesn't work after the battery swap, try reprogramming it by holding the lock-unlock buttons simultaneously. Consult your owner's manual. For moisture-sealed fobs, ensure everything is dry before reassembly to prevent corrosion. Future Lexus key fobs are trending towards rechargeable or battery-independent designs using kinetic energy or solar cells. App-based key sharing and biometric authentication may eventually phase out physical batteries. Stay tuned for more updates on Lexus key fob technology.